Yo, what you telling me, people? Welcome back to another video with me, Exploring with Ads. In today's video, I'm joined with my boy, Nation UK Explores.
Yo,
link in the description, as always. And in today's video, we are on a banging one. As you can see by the title, this is one unbelievable find. We've arrived at the abandoned vehicle graveyard. There's some unbelievable looking cars here. I don't know a lot about it, to be honest, people, but just do one thing for me. It's going to help me out a lot. Smash the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think of these banging places, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's completely free and it helps me out a lot, and it's one click of a button, one for the like, one to subscribe, whack the notification bell if you're enjoying what you're watching, and you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. So people, let's get into this. Would you look at these? This is one amazing stuff here. You see that, people? Local neighbours just pulled up. This place is really sketchy, but what an amazing discovery. Look at this, people. Look at this. I don't really know too much about makes of too many cars, people, so leave in the comment section what some of these cars are. Obviously this one's an old Rover. Yo, is this a Subaru? Yeah. I don't know what it is, people. See if there's a number plate on it. No, what is it? Look in there, cars are written off, people. Can't really see, it's that dirty. Okay, people, do a registration check. S568DFC. What is this? What sort of car is this? An old Pulsar GTIR. There is a rare discovery in the shed, people, but I'm saving the best till last. That old GTIR steering wheel. You can see that, people. And a number plate on this one, then if there's one on the front. Here's a Nissan Sunny Selena. It's an old one. Registration D768TJO. Ain't gonna pull no covers off or anything like that. I don't know if there's anything in this shed there. I know there is a shed around the back. If we can get around to it, there's a couple of motorbikes in there. But let's get around to these, people, because there's something crazy in this shed. Here we go, people, look at this. XJR 1300. There's a Trials bike. Can't even move it over. Oh, they're D-locked together. Sherco Trials bike. Oh, there's a Honda Scrambler and another Trials bike. There's a quad bike there, people. What a discovery this is. And whatever this flying machine is, look at this. Look at this, people. What an amazing discovery. That is actually like You don't see stuff like this. Looks like there's an old go-kart seat down there. And look at this. An old Austin 7. That would have been the big propeller on top, which is behind you, look. They're the propellers. This old Austin 7, people. Fucking hell. This is like 1940s, 1950s maybe. Don't pull the tarp off too much. Wow. Is it unlocked? Is it unlocked? Ooh. Look, this, people, look. The old windy bit. To get the engine going. That's mad. What, look at the old leather sunroof, people. Bloody hell. That is in mint condition. Oh, this door's locked. We'll have to come and have a look around that side. Let me come and check that out round there. Yo, let me come check it out. Not enough room. I haven't got my GoPro on me, people, but I am recording off my phone at the moment. Wow. Look how mint the condition is. And there's a cobweb or something on my lens, people. Give me a second. There we go. Look. Look at it, people. Wow. That old, no seat belts in it. I'd love to go for a spin in something like this. Them original leather seats. That old, you can hear them wanting to crack. Look at that gear stick. That is absolutely mental. Fucking handbrake on it. Crazy, people. A little dashboard. Can even pop the front window open. Look at that. You don't get that on cars nowadays, people. Look. That is mental. That is mental.
Wait, let me go around the front and then open it.
What's it? I'll get in for a minute, people.
This is the door handle, look.
Quick, push up a minute so you can go past. All the dust around it is messing with my pixelation, people. Look at this. That is something else, isn't it?
Tax this, people.
You don't get this nowadays. Look at the window. That's unbelievable. Tax this 95. 1995, people. Wait.
This window.
Yes, we are opening the window and stuff. And we have pulled the cover off. But we are going to be putting it straight back on, people. Bloody hell, look at the old engine, man. It's the car frame number. If someone can you please put a comment just giving a full history of this vehicle. I'll show you the registration on the back in a minute, what year it was made, how much it could be worth. I reckon it's worth a fair few grand. It is in mint condition. It ain't going to take much to get that running, I don't think. What do you reckon?
I don't know.
It's in mint condition. It's been well reserved. Let's check this reg. EGW 265. Cut that. What a fucking bit of history. Excuse the language, people. Even them bloody rims, look. It's mental. Yeah, let's pull the cover back over.
Wait, no, wait.
Oh, come on, man. Want to cover it back up?
one that was closed by as well. Whether they're now, like,
Don't step back.
someone else. Your headlights as well.
Trying to sort of balance it, people, so I can just cover it up properly.
What is it stuff so long there?
No, I can't balance it. But yeah, let's cover it up. So, put the cover back over. Right, it was like that, it weren't fully covered anyway. Yup, gone. It's not working, I already done that. Badge on it. We're going to try and get around to where the back sheds are, people, because there is a couple of motorbikes in the back sheds, like I said.
I want to see if I would be able to buy.
It's all locked up, so I don't understand. But this place has been sat like this for years and years, like...
Yeah, I want to see if I can buy the trials like this one. It's still got compression as well, I'm trying.
If you recognise this place as being the owner of these vehicles, as you see, we're not causing no harm. We're really interested, it's just the way they're sat, abandoned, left to decay. But people, let's carry on with the explore. Might be able to cut round through here to get into the... to get round to this shed where the other motorbikes are. Might be a way up here. I don't know. I wouldn't want to chance on a climb up there. I don't know if there's anything even in there worth climbing up for. No? We got to go around to where the sheds are. With the motorbikes. Let's go for this, people.
Well, that's not all of the motorbikes.
No, there's some in this shed, which is probably going to mean it's climbing through here. The house is abandoned, people, but I believe that there ain't no access. We could maybe have a little look, but look what we're doing, people. How do we get through? Want me to go far? It's cool. What we do, people. Look at the house. Massive. And the sheds are around here. Here, I think. Oh no, not this shed. It's a wooden shed. It's around here. Around here. Go on. Leave it to be that in there. You weren't even looking. Go on, go around to the front. There was some in here. Yes, look, people. There's an old speedway bike as well. And a Yamaha.
Let me have a look in there.
Wow.
I don't even know what the fucking speedway bike looks like.
Look at it.
Oh my god.
Is it locked or... No. It's not locked, so it should open.
It won't. Trust the bike, look.
Ah, it's nailed. Let's have a look through this hole, people. Look at that. Oh, okay. That bit of boarding just moved. That's not even in place. Okay, cool. Oops. Take my bag off, people.
see that. No one has actually come and cancelled it then.
I'm climbing in through this way.
Innit?
Yeah.
Don't get it very often. People have ruined them or tried to.
You don't come across places like this. That's why the location is not being released. Nothing.
Oh, what I think it might be. I don't know. Oh no, the engine's there. What,
These don't have brakes, you know that, innit?
Don't they?
No, they don't have brakes.
Oh, what? Shit.
PSK, Olymp, Prior.
The stadium is right by my house as well.
CNS, carburetors, Tommy Sec Motors, tuning. Look at that. The Yamaha.
Get the wedge off the Yamaha.
A little check on this for us, people.
R1 as well, mate.
S146JJB. Yamaha.
Yamaha R1.
R1. Look at this, people, look. Brand new tyres. All brand new motorbike tyres and stuff. I'm going out the same way I came in. No, I'm not actually. Nathan's got the better option. Ooh. One sec, people. I need to take a piss against a tree. And I'm back, people. I had my piss. I was bursting. I didn't really want to stop partway through videoing, but when you gotta go, you gotta go. But I think that's all the vehicles. We're gonna take a walk around the edge of the house, see if we can find a way in. If there is a way in, then that's gonna be next week's video. But if not, yeah, you will know. Look at the little stuff that's all left behind. Lawnmower, hate a lawnmower. I think you could probably get into the house through here. This leads up to the side of the house, but it is rather overgrown. But maybe not this way. Let's go around this way. There's too much overgrowth. Oh, he's caught. Look at this, people.
Fuck off.
Fuck's sake.
Unstuck me.
I'm trying. Stop moving. It fooled me. Fuck's sake. I caught that on video. Through this way then. Right. I think. Or there was a way round the other way, weren't there? Yeah, an easier way up to the building around the other side, wasn't it? Yeah. All this way, look. Here. Right, mate. Look. Little fucking ornaments all left behind and... lawnmowers. Look at this place, people. That's round to the front of the house where you'll be seen. Way in. Push on that in a bit, what's that? No? No.
Oh.
This is the front of the house, people. But let's walk around this way. See if there's a way in around this side. If not, then... I think down the wall. Down under here. I think that's the way I went before. Because I did explore the house quite a while back, people. And there was some crazy ass guy in the garden. And we had to jump over a back wall. If I remember to, I'll leave a link in the description of my original explore here. like a jungle. In the jungle.
I reckon you'll be underneath it then.
You reckon? Right, you keep trying that way. If you get through, call me. Oh, I was gonna have to just push through people.
You wanna find a way?
Yeah? Hey, I'm here, look. Getting caught on everything. Yo, window open.
I love how you noticed that straight away.
Back up a minute. And on that one, people, I hope you've enjoyed exploring this vehicle graveyard. It's been an unbelievable discovery. Don't forget to do one thing. Smash the like button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of the place. And don't forget to subscribe. Smash that notification bell as you just heard the ding sound, and you'll be notified as and when I make future uploads and explores. So people, I hope you've enjoyed exploring this crazy, unbelievable of a find car graveyard. And people, see you at the next one. Peace.